Hi everyone, I've seen this carrot salad so many times, but I only tried making it recently. And honestly, it's so fresh, sweet, and tangy. It's a simple French-style dish, and these days it's really popular in Korea too. Today, I will also show you a few easy ways to enjoy it. So let's get started. First, slice the carrots into thin strips. You can use a chopper or slicer, but cutting by hand makes the texture so much better. A little more work, but it's worth it. Carrots are really good for your eyes and heart, and they are full of vitamins and fiber too. Such an easy way to eat something healthy every day. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over the carrots. Mix lightly and leave them for about 10 minutes. This helps them soften just a little and soak up the dressing better later. Squeeze out the extra water from the carrots. Put them into a bowl. Put 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a little black pepper. Toss everything together. The smell is already so fresh and delicious. That's it. Your sweet and tangy carrot salad is ready. How to enjoy it? You can just eat this carrot salad as a side dish. It's so good. Actually, when I first made it, I was so surprised by how fresh and tasty it was. Sweet, tangy, and super crunchy. You can also pair it with a boiled egg for a quick and healthy breakfast. It's so refreshing, especially now that the weather is getting hotter, and the best part is you don't even need to stand over a hot stove. If you like bread, spread a little cream cheese on a slice. Add some boiled egg slices and pile on the carrot salad. Let me try. I really thought, why didn't I try this sooner? Now I will definitely be making this often. And if you love kimbap, lay a thin layer of rice on a piece of kim, and a thin egg omelette, and a big spoonful of carrot salad. Roll it up tightly. Slice it into bite-sized pieces and enjoy a fresh light kimbap. This is absolutely delicious. If you crave kimbap, you can make carrot kimbap like this. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you give it a try. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time with more delicious ideas. Bye-bye!